Hello creating family, Alice here. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can get started as a beginner proofreader. Plus I'll show you a way to get certified for free to showcase your skills and boost credibility. So let's dive in. First off, visit anywhere.com. This website is a treasure trove of resources for you to kickstart your proofreading journey, either as an advanced proofreader or as a beginner proofreader. On this site, you find free courses that are designed to teach you everything and anything you need to know about proofreading. Like this 7 days course is a free course that you can take other 7 days. Once you are done, they are going to give you a certificate for that course you just took, and you took that course for free. How cool is this? These courses varies in length, right? Some are short while some take more longer time. The best part is they are completely free. Like once you complete the course, they are going to give you certificates that validate your skill, which is invaluable when you are applying for jobs. And one thing I love about this platform is they have a sister website. Once you've completed your training, you can register on the other site as a freelancer. Companies from around the world come here to hire proofreaders. How cool is this? But you need to complete the course on the first platform to be qualified. The name of the sister platform is hireaproofreader.com. I'll be leaving the links in the description below for easy accessibility. However, you are not limited to this platform, right? You can use the skill and the certificate you've gained to apply for other platforms. Don't worry, I will share other places with you when you can get proofreading jobs. Once you have equipped with your skill and you have a mobile phone, a laptop or a tablet and internet connection, you are actually ready to kickstart your proofreading journey. Another platform worth try is pros.com. This platform offers free training and connects you with proofreading jobs. They pay $10 per 1,000 words you proofread. And you can choose your working hours, making it a great option for flexibility. However, to succeed on this platform, you need to be proficient in English and you should be familiar with tools like Microsoft Office. Most of their clients are native English speakers, so having a strong language skill is crucial. Once you are ready, simply send an email application including details like your name, education, first language, country, availability, and area of expertise. Unlike other platforms, this one does not offer training. Instead, they test your skill upfront. If you pass, you have the freedom to choose your project and working hours, all from the comfort of your home. How cool is this? For those who prefer freelance marketplace, Etsy is a great choice for you. Here you find projects like ebooks and journal to proofread. Earnings can be from $15 to $30 per hour. However, keep in mind that Etsy takes 10% commission from your earnings. If you are looking for something more professional, then consider Publish Paper. This platform is known for its high standard and reputable clients. They offer opportunities to earn $20 to $45 per hour, depending on your skills. However, you need to complete a 35-question test as part of your application process. Lastly, check out Scribd, a well-reputable establishment offering freelance and in-house positions. Although they are not always hiring freelancers, so it's worth keeping an eye on their website for updates. To qualify, you need a university degree, familiarity with specific software, and native level English proficiency. So that's it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and turn on your bell notification to get notified each time I release a beautiful content just like this. And don't forget to share. The next video that is showing up on your screen is actually a step-by-step guide on how you can make $14 per hour just proofreading documents. So click on it and I will see you in the other side.